because what United States has become, it's not no longer a democracy. The merger of state and corporate powers is called fascism, and fascism has come to America. I don't say that as rhetoric. I say it by fact. Wall Street has hijacked Washington. Who was the Treasury Secretary under Bush? Henry Paulson. Where was he from? The Goldman Sachs gang. Before him, Rubin. Where was he from? Goldman Sachs. Where did he go? Citigroup. Who do you have now as Obama's chief of staff? Bill Daley. Where did he come from? Vice chairman of J.P. Morgan Chase. Who did we bail out? AIG, Fannie Mae, Freddie Mac, General Motors. Where did they do the $20 trillion of backdoor deals that the Federal Reserve did in 2009 and 2010? Where did the money go to? General Electric, Verizon, hedge funds. The merger of state and corporate powers is called fascism.